Hello everyone, it's John Diaz here at Blue Knob Ski Resort. The snow has stopped for now. The temperatures have risen a bit, which allows the snow crew to get down to the asphalt, which gives good traction. But it's a perfect day at the ski resort. Perfect conditions for people who enjoy skiing and snowboarding. As you can see here, they're preparing for another big weekend here. You can see they cleared that apron real nicely after that stuck bus yesterday. And they've plowed all the auxiliary lot here. Got cars up above already. Today, Friday. You can see even the auxiliary lot starting to fill up a bit. Got the crew shoveling the staircase. Everything looks beautiful out here with the snow encapsulating all the trees and landscapes. It's going to be another busy day here at Blue Knob Ski Resort. It's a winter wonderland here at Blue Knob Ski Resort. Come on down and see it for yourself. Beautiful place to be. For the people who enjoy the snow, people who enjoy skiing and snowboarding. Absolutely prime conditions for that situation. Come check it out for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and please push the like button if you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day.